I hope you have learned something new in this video. Please feel free to leave any comments if you want and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.